Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are wondering how to customize your Android home screen, in today's video we will be guiding you simply through the steps in order to do so. So what you can do is you can start by adding widgets. For that you can tap and hold any empty space on your home screen. Once you do so, you will be finding a menu appear on your screen. Tap on the widget option that appears and open it up. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and scroll to the options and a bunch of widgets available, the list of available widgets, and you can just go ahead and expand it up. So for example, let's say I would like to add up a clock, you can expand it up and you can just go ahead and select the type of clock that you would like to add, and you just need to hold the one that you want to add on your home screen. Once you do so, you can place it wherever you want. For example, I would like it here and you can release it. And once you do, there we go. I can resize it according to your own choice as well. And you can hold the dots on the outline and drag them wherever you want. Now, the next thing you can do is you can move and remove app and widget. So in order to do so, you just need to hold the app widget that you've added. And once you do so, you can just move it around like this and place it wherever you want. And if you would like to remove it, what you need to do is you need to long press on it, hold it up, and you should be finding an option called remove. Tap on it from the pop-up that appears and that should remove it. You can also drag your widget to a new location on your home screen or even to another available home screen. And that's it. And to create an additional home screen, you can simply swipe left or right from your current home screen and you can drag an app or widget there to add it to your home screen. Apart from that, if you want to add more customization option, you can just go ahead and color the application, etc., and decorate your home screen that way as well. So therefore, that is how you do it. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.